Bullish Scale token cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 19 cents and 42 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Skale could reach 19 cents by 2025. Bearish Scale token market cost expectation for 2022 is 3 cents. Scale token presentation. Scale token is an Ethereum token that drives the Scale organization, which portrays itself as an Ethereum viable organization with a leaderless agreement intended to run on an uncapped number of free hubs. Hubs on the Scale organization give assets to various decentralized versatile blockchains. The Skale token awards an option to take part as an organization validator, stake as a delegator, or access a portion of the organization's assets as a designer. Additionally, the Scale organization is an open-source, decentralized network for creating blockchains and decentralized applications on the Ethereum organization. Fundamentally, it means to allow designers to construct their own blockchains that can speak with the Ethereum organization, while staying away from Ethereum's gas expenses and scaling issues. Ethereum is ordinarily delayed to check and approve exchanges. Utilizing Scale organization enormously works on the speed at which Ethereum confirms exchanges, as Scale can work a lot quicker and approach a limit of 2,000 exchanges each second for every chain, as indicated by the group. Skale organization formally sent off in 2018. And was established by Jack O'Halloran and Stan Kladko, with the two originators having experience in blockchain and cryptography. The undertaking is kept up with by the node. Establishment in association with Scale's center group, Skale Labs. Local area designers likewise contribute with enhancements decided on utilizing the blockchain's on-chain administration. Stunningly, the Scale organization has raised a sum of $41 million from almost 50 unique sponsors. Before the Skale token send-off, Scale brought $10 million up in a straightforward understanding for future tokens deal and held a $8.68 million subsidizing round drove by Multicoin Capital. Then, in October 2019, it raised $17.1 million from Arrington XRP Capital, Consensus Labs, Hashkey, Multicoin Capital, Winklevoss Capital, and others to send off the Scale mainnet. Scale Labs contributed $10 million of the assets, with the excess $7.1 million coming from outside financial backers. Before we give you an extensive Scale token cost expectation from 2022 to 2030, we'll go over how the biological system functions and what makes it special. The quantitative variables will be joined with our specialized and monetary investigation. What is the Scale organization? Scale organization is a Layer 2 scaling arrangement that establishes a sidechain climate to ease the clog on the Ethereum organization. It permits engineers to have and foster decentralized applications on the organization while utilizing Skale flexible sidechains rather than the Ethereum mainnet. Clients can characterize explicit sidechains to organize a reasonable climate for making dapps by picking convention, the size of the sidechain being used, virtual machine, parent blockchain, and safety efforts to make a configurable flexible chain for their dapps. In this manner, Scale Network makes an exceptionally versatile foundation that is interoperable and viable with the Ethereum stage, framing an organization of flexible sidechains that dapp engineers pay month-to-month memberships for. On account of the work of such framework and explicit sidechains, Scale works on the presentation of dapps on the Ethereum network with low inertness and high throughput, while additionally empowering quicker exchanges inside the biological system of sidechains. Scale token memorable cost. Skale organization has a restricted all-out supply, which goes about as an enemy of expansion component, except if it is cast at a ballot in any case later on through the decentralized administration model utilized on the Skale organization. No new Skale will be stamped once the all-out supply is depleted. Skale's maximum stock is 7 billion Skale. Skale was sent off at 3 cents and never thought back. Albeit in the main round of the pre-send-off, members had the option to buy Skale for $0. Skale has never fallen beneath 3 cents, making its send-off value its record-breaking low. Skale's cost spikes have moved with the symbolics posting on trades. The token was first recorded on Binance toward the finish of 2020. Following the declaration that Skale would accept its subsequent trade posting on Huobi, the cost of Skale multiplied in 2 days. Skale arrived at its record-breaking high of $1.22 in WAC 2021 following the symbolics posting on Coinbase. Nonetheless, in only multi-week, the cost went down to 44 cents. Scale token current cost. Scale token is at present worth 4 cents USD. Skale has moved 1.04% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,320,607. Scale token is at present positioned 160 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $172,697,313 USD. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Scale token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Scale token value expectation 2022. Scale token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Scale cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 6 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 6 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Scale is supposed to have a base worth of 5 cents. Scale token value expectation 2023. In 2023, Scale token Scale cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Scale will before long outperform 10 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Scale's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Scale will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 8 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 9 cents. Scale token value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 15 cents and Scale might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Scale is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 13 cents and a low of 12 cents in 2024. Scale token value expectation 2025. Assuming Scale token effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the Scale coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Scale will be green in 2025. The Scale is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 19 cents, with a base cost of 17 cents and a typical cost of 18 cents. Scale token value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Scale cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 22 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 21 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Scale has a most extreme value worth of 23 cents. Scale token value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 26 cents. On the off chance that Scale figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 27 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Scale needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 25 cents. Scale token value forecast 2028. While Scale is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 30 cents and a yearly cost close above 32 cents in 2028. Scale token value forecast 2029. By 2029, Scale token will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 34